Hello everyone. Today 24 December. I'm in Irosin. Arrived yesterday because I'm invited by family. So I'm in the last zipline in the Bicol working. There is another one near that, but it's not working now. So it's the last zipline. It's not the most big, but I want to try. So about the price here is donation. So you give what you want, what you can't. So to find it, it's near Irosin Lake. Irosin is Sorsogon province, Bicol. I'm a little scary, but okay, it's small. It's small. Okay, the cable, it's okay. Because I'm so scary. So I will ask someone to record me, and after I will maybe second time I will try to take camera. First I want to try one time. It's not too fast. So now I will go second time and recording. Yeah, like that.
Yeah.
So let's go. Okay,
1, 2, 3.
let's go. Ah! Thank you. Once again, I cut. Look, Irosin, so beautiful. So for there is no price for Zipline. They say you give what you want. So I give 200 because it's Christmas, and they have only few customers a day. They must call someone who come for help, and after he gone. Yeah, because only a few customers a day. So now I going Zoo Eco Park. Let's see. If not interesting, I will not record. Let's see. I going there. So Philippine eagle. He start to speak when I arrive. Yeah, I see it's Philippine eagle because in Europe I saw eagle, but in Belgium, but never like that. Interesting. So let's go see another animal. Eh? Oi! Hey, take my mobile. Eh? Eh? Take my mobile. And after you will ask food for exchange. I know that it's the same in Sri Lanka when I was there. They take your glass, and if you give food, or your sunglass, and if you give food, they give you. Wow, you try to exit. You try to exit. Yeah, we are not happy here. I understand. We are not happy. So the zoo is very small. No entrance fee. Many times I was in the street. I say, oh, I will not go because I saw so many zoo in my life. But it's free. Only few people. But it's very small. And if you have kids, they can play there.